Hey man, the ladies want to know, are you single?
Hey, men want to know too. Shut the
Alright everybody, welcome to another video, another vlog. Today I'm bringing you guys along. This is our final training exercise. So we're back here, Camp Blanding in Florida, getting ready to do urban search and rescue training. But I'm going to show you guys pretty much the living conditions. As you guys can see, we're pretty much in a 50-man barracks, but there's not 50 of us, so we got a lot of space. Everybody can spread out and be comfortable. Here's my living area right here. So pretty basic, pretty simple. Have my bag, it's pretty much my breakfast. Protein powder, keep this on deck when I travel. The Nitrotech Whey Isolate Gold, very good protein. Got some bananas. Got my hygiene kit right here, personal hygiene. Then one of my backpacks. Then we have the rescue bag, which in my last video I already showed you guys what's inside this bag, but rescue bag has all the rescue gear that we have to do urban search and rescue. We also have our chem suits in there, so it's pretty much a deployable bag ready to go. So we're getting ready to head out for the day, guys. It's pretty dark outside right now. Show you guys what it looks like outside. So you guys see it's pretty dark, but there's people out there, so it's gonna lighten up here in a minute, and then we're gonna continue the vlog, show you guys what's going on, and bring you guys along for the day. Brady, what's going on? Can you explain to the camera what's happening right now?
Well, you get my blood pressure. Hopefully it's over so I don't have to go in. So. I do.
So being that I'm the operations chief, this is my command post, guys. I have to set up my tables, my command boards, and basically my job is to make sure I maintain accountability, make sure I come up with a rescue plan, and make sure the plan is executed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up my area. This is pretty much like a headquarters area. We call it command post. I'm gonna set up my board. I have a little bit of visibility to where I can see the scene. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, let you guys see what it looks like, all right? So this is what my setup looks like, guys. So right here I have the diagram of the scene, what we got going on. This is mainly used to locate victims, also locate where the rescue teams are at. Right now, these divisions have been, this part of the building has been cleared out and they're working on this area, and this is another building they will be working on. We just have some other stuff in here, like this is basic sit rep, work rep cycle. Also, I got to keep up with the accumulated dose chart. So if they're exposed to any kind of hazard, I have to keep up with the amount of hazard they've been exposed to. Just some more stuff that I have. We got the muscle set cookie. And then here's the accountability board that I use to keep track of the personnel, how many people we have on the site, on the scene, and which team they're assigned to. We're looking at a recon team wearing these weird looking suits. These are chemical suits. These guys have to go down range, They have to identify the hazard, report back to us, and let us know what the hazard is before we can actually go down and start making rescues of the victims. So they're protecting themselves. They have respiratory protection, and they also have the suits that's going to protect them from the chemicals. They're going to take these meters down with them, and they're going to take different types of meters, and they're going to test for different types of chemicals, and then they're going to report back to us and let us know what they find. Damn, your suit funky, boy. Hampton, man, you watch that suit, man. It smell like sardines, man.
So primarily everything you're gonna need is in that top pouch. You got your suction and airway stuff in there. You can't see you need more than that. And then left side, or excuse me, right side, you're gonna have your A-straps and SAM splints. Left side, you're gonna have your traction splint with an additional SAM splint, but no ACE bandage, so you have to get into this pack. All right?
That'll be fun.
Go ahead, Recon.
2 patients have been located. 1 under a forklift. 2nd in a quadrant pipe.
That's a good copy.
You know if anybody else is down here with you? I saw some other people, but I don't know for sure where they are. I mean, there's a kid here somewhere, and I'll be coming up to try to help.
So what they're pretty much doing right now, they are reconfirming the hot zone. That caution tape right there is the hot zone. So on the other side of that caution tape is the hot zone. Before we can go inside that area and make rescues, we have to reconfirm the hot zone.
So Brady, all of a sudden.
Who's that? You ready?
Howie.
Yep. You ready? Yep. Howie, ready?
Buxton. Everybody give me the weight of this?
Yeah.
I would just turn one over on the opposite side.
Wait. You want to do it on that side or? Good? You ready? Going up.
You want to grab them from this side?
Buxton, go ahead and chop some other wheels. Give me stuff when I need it. Start chopping the wheels. Yeah.
Alright.
Third cribbing. All the wheels are popped?
Yep. Good?
With third cribbing.
Good?
You're gonna be okay.
I don't know.
Set.
Sir, can we reposition your arm so we can get you out a little bit easier?
So just to give you guys a little insight of what they're doing, they're jacking up this tire right here. They have to get this tire off of this patient's
Alright,
leg.
Brady, I can use another 4x4. Where the wedges are? You can slide one.
With those legs. Up on 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, we're pull this cribbing out.
It's gonna hurt.
That's all we got. Alright.
Ready?
1 buck. Good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and Hampton, start packing up this crib and put it back in the
Dump it down.
Yeah. Alright, your count. And on 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll dry off the patient, drying off the patient.
Drying off the patient.
Bilateral radio pulses, is my patient breathing?
None.
None, no bilateral radio pulses?
You feel it? Faint, gone.
Faint, gone?
Gone.
Like not coming back?
No pulse.
No crowd pulse.
Okay, we need somebody to start CPR.
Do you want me to start it here?
Remember,
on this
get
page.
off. Get out of here.
Go.
Get out.
Get out of here.
Come
We
on,
got another
go.
patient coming through.
Go.
Get him past that line.
I'm gonna jump on this fucking litter. I'm gonna jump on this fucking litter, man.
Now, put him on the ground.
strap him
Put him
down.
on the ground. Put him on the ground.
Move him.
Put him on the
He wants to
ground.
put him on the ground.
Put him on the ground on the backboard. Put him on the ground on the backboard. No pulse. No pulse. No pulse. He's not perfusing. He's dying.
Come on, come on.
He's dying.
Fuck it.
Come on.
Yeah, fuck it.
Gotta go.
Fuck it. Let's go.
Gotta
Let's
go.
go.
Come
Let's go. On 3 and 1, 2, 3.
Start compressions. Do you have a BBM on you?
I do not.
Okay.
I have airway adjuncts.
Call for additional resources. Okay. Not
Resume CPR.
As well. Alright, I'll go grab a King LT.
King LT thermal blanket.
All right, EMS, what's going on?
We have a patient, came out the decon line, no pulses present. We started.
Hold on, T-belt, T-belt.
What are you guys doing?
Fucking cool shit.
Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Thank you so much for following this journey, guys. We've been on this mission now for about almost 3 years. It's been a great time, great experience, a lot of great training, a lot of great certifications we got out of the deal. And sadly, this mission is ending for us. So if Howie, excuse me, I'm gonna have to go smoke the shit out of one of these guys. Anyways, like I was saying, I appreciate you guys so much for just tuning into the channel. This past 2 years, guys, we've been on a mission, a special mission. I couldn't really talk about it a lot, but I can't really share the details still to this day. But we've been on this mission, and now the mission is pretty much over for us, guys, and we have to hand it off to another unit. But it's been a great 2 years. We got a lot of great training, a lot of great certifications out the deal. We got to travel a lot, see different parts of the nation, so that's been a great plus for us, guys. So now it's back to regular Army firefighting for us, and you never know what happens in the future. You know, there's a lot of things that may come up, and there's some stuff that I already know that's coming up, but I can't share it. But just stay tuned, guys, for a lot more content with Army firefighting. But I just appreciate it. It's been a great experience. I enjoyed every single bit of it. There's been some good moments, there's been some bad moments, but for the most part, it was amazing. So I gotta get out of here because we're actually packing up right now. But I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. If you've been watching my videos since day one, or you just been watching my videos, make sure you hit that like button because the likes go a long way. So until next time, guys, peace.